everything that you've learned about lucid dreaming, just take it and throw it out the door. It does not have to be complicated. When you understand how something works, it's actually very simple. So, lucid dreaming, what it is basically gaining awareness while you're dreaming. I see the dream world in parallel to our waking world. Lucid dreaming is parallel to you being mindful in your waking state. And I found I actually did this experiment and I tried different lucid dreaming techniques. What I found is the more I would maintain mindfulness and awareness during my waking state, the more likely I would be to lucid dream. I would just have a second in my dream where I'd be like, wait, I'm dreaming. And then I would just do the thing that I wanted to do. So it is literally as simple as being mindful in your waking state. So, how do you do that? Monitor your use of your cell phone. I have found that the more I use social media and things that give me quick spurts of dopamine, that really messes with my mindfulness. So, I would meditate in the morning and I would just have a very slow morning where I would make myself a cup of tea, I would exercise. And so I would just maintain a very happy, relaxed state. Try to keep that throughout your day. And I'm not saying you have to be happy the entire day, but you have to be mindful of you, your emotions, your behavior, and what you're doing. What I would do is I would find what during your day triggers you to get out of a mindfulness state. Try to be aware of those things and minimize those things. And if you have like a hectic life, maybe try this on a weekend or whenever you have more control over your day. But ultimately, like life is hard to control. But if you practice meditating in the morning and working out, that'll really help the way you respond to things. Because it's when we get into a reactive state that we lose mindfulness. And it's kind of parallel in the lucid dreaming world. So you could easily get out of a lucid dream when your dream distracts you and you lose that mindfulness. So it's really cool because it's like parallel universes. To me, it just really excites me to just see the similarity in the waking state and the lucid dream state. So practicing mindfulness. So meditate, exercise, just really but take accountability for your stress levels, like nervous system regulation, things like that. When you do this, I promise you, your probability of lucid dreaming will go up. Now, when you start lucid dreaming, it's really important that you maintain a calm state because if you get too excited or you get scared, that'll make your lucid dream get blurry. It's really funny how this happens, but hold on, I need water. I'm low on water. Okay. If you get into just an emotional state, it messes with your energy and it causes the dream to get blurry. So what I have found is remaining calm because what can happen is that once you become aware that you're dreaming and you become lucid, you might get excited at the idea that you have become lucid and that'll mess up your ability to stay there because your dream will get blurry. So, once you have become lucid, like take a deep breath, remain calm, and just, be like, fuck yeah. But like, like a casual fuck yeah. When you're lucid dreaming, where your power lies, how you're able to control your dream is by really like commanding what it is that you want. So you could also command for your dreams to become more vivid or clarity, like just say like more clarity now, and suddenly your dream will become more clear. So if you begin to experience the blurriness, like it starts fading away, just command clarity now, and your dream will get back to being vivid. So that's something really important to know that when you're lucid dreaming, it is through conviction, commanding type of energy is how you're able to control your environment. I'll be honest, some people say that astral projecting and lucid dreams can become like it's hard to distinguish when it's one or the other. Because I have found sometimes when I've been lucid dreaming, characters will try to, like, take control, so I don't know if that's, like, if I'm actually lucid dreaming or astral projecting, but know that in your dream state, you have, like, power, like, you can set energetic boundaries. So if you are lucid dreaming and you feel like things like characters are, like, messing with, like, your lucidity, like, you can set boundaries and just set them with conviction. Moral of the story, really hone in on convicting energy. Like, if you wanna fly, just be like, you have to believe, like, "I can fly, and just fly now," and then you will fly. And the cool thing is, I feel like the parallel of that in the waking state is, like, manifesting, because when you, like, state with conviction and energy in your waking state, you can create things in your life, which is like the lucid state, which I think is so cool. Some of the benefits of lucid dreaming is that you can use this time to practice your manifestations, like visualizing like what it is that you want to create. So, like for example, if you want to manifest love, it's like when you're lucid dreaming, you can ask like, "Show me my divine partner," like see that love is possible for you, which I think is very beautiful. Or if, you wanna visit somewhere in the world, you can go do that. But a lot of cool things that you could also do is you could practice solving like, if you have a very complicated problem in your life that you're trying to solve, you can use that time to work through it or even explore your consciousness. Like, one thing that I have found is you can ask the characters questions, and I don't know if the characters are like our consciousness. Sometimes they can give you insight about you. And just to verify if, what they're saying is true, you can ask questions repeatedly but phrased in different ways to see if they give you the same answer. So here's the thing. Before you go into the lucid state, it's important to kind of have an idea of what it is that you want to do because it can go by really fast. You can also get distracted by things. So if there's something that you intentionally want to do in your lucid state, have that in the back of your mind so that when it happens, you can seize the opportunity. Because there's been a lot of times that I'll just get distracted and start doing all these other things, and I'm like, "Crap, I wanted to do this one thing." My advice for anyone aspiring to lucid dream, it is totally possible. Even if you have never done this in your life before, know that if you are able to maintain mindfulness during your waking state, you can maintain mindfulness during your sleep state. So that could be a really beautiful way to motivate you to have more mindfulness during your day. And there's so many meditation videos on YouTube. You have so many opportunities. Be more mindful, and when you're mindful, you're more happy and you just enjoy life, and oh, like the sun feels amazing, like the breeze, like it really elevates, I think, life. So if you really want to lucid dream doing this, like you're just gonna enjoy life more overall. Treat this as like a fun activity. I am so sure that you're gonna be able to do it, that's why I gave you tips about when you do it, like, these are some tips on how to prolong the process and really make the most out of it, because I believe in you. If you're watching this video, you are gonna be able to lucid dream. So, comment down below if you achieve this tonight or tomorrow or the next day. I would really love to hear about your fun experiences or adventures or the things that you wanna do while you're lucid dreaming. Take care. Bye.